Hi guys, today I am cooking African kebab, and today I am cooking kidney kebab. I have all my kidneys chopped into little pieces, and I have my vegetables here. I have red pepper, yellow, green, and I have my onions here. I have this seasoning which I've got a little bit chili on that to give it a little bit spicy. If that is the same thing as this, just pour half of it in here. It's a seasoning for kebab from African shop. You can get this from. I'll be using a little bit tomatoes puree, and I have all my seasoning from the start of the kebab. I have my onions and spring onion and lamb seasoning and spices, and I have my chili spice, and I have 2 Maggi cubes here and a half tomatoes, and that is my salt. Right then, let's get started. Okay, just put my onions into the saucepan, frying and just waiting for the onion to. Okay. Okay, I will be adding my kidney. Okay, as my kidney is cooking, I'm going to add my Maggi cube. And I will be adding my seasoning. Okay, second one. And then I'll be adding my spicy and my salt, and my spring onion. I know there's a lot of oil in there. The reason why I've got a lot of oil in there because I'm going to use that same oil to put it on top of it. Keep brushing it on top of it once the kidney is in the grill, because I would not want to use any other oil. Sorry, I would like to use the same flavor on that. And as obviously all of it is here, I'm just going to leave it for a bit for it to cool down because it's quite hot. So I've got everything all ready. Just gonna leave it for it to cool down because look at that, it looks so good. Okay, just now going to, I'll start off with one yellow one, and we'll get this in that paste in my own fingers. Okay. They're all stuck together. Let me out. Okay. Okay, that's one done. Just put it in here. And the second one, let's see. Let's pick up. You know, if this is going slow for you, you can sort of speed it if that's okay, because I think this is going to take me quite a while. So I'm going to just do the rest of them and then I'll show you guys how it all turns up. I have done all of it, so now I'm just going to put them into the seasoning, and I'm just going to roll all of them about like so. Look at this one. Yep, just finished with these, and I guess you can see this is the largest one. That is going to be mine. Yes. Okay, I'm just going to do that to all of them, and then I'll tell you what is next. I'm going to make sure all of these seasoning goes on top of it before putting it on the grill. Okay, I've just finished putting all the seasoning on that, and this is what's left of the leftover of the kidney seasoning. Now I'm just going to take that, and I'm gonna brush on, and I'm gonna keep doing this until it's all done. This is a bit of a hard. Only if you have something that you could just grab all of it on top. There you go. I think nearly there. Okay, as you can see, all of it done. So what I'm doing, because there's a lot of that left gravy, so I'm just going to pour that on top of it, and that is going to give it its own natural flavor. No extra oil being poured on top of it. This is all the oil that I've used to cook it, so I'm just going to put it in the grill. Okay, and I'm just going to check it now. It's looking good, so I'm just going to turn them around. Look at that, that it looks beautiful. That looks gorgeous. I'm just going to wait for about 5 minutes or something. I've put it on slow. I've put it on, not well, it was high, so I'm just going to put it a little bit high just to get it ready. Okay, as I'm waiting for that, I have fried some yam and some chili, which is chili sauce, with African chili sauce, which is called shito, and some tomatoes and lettuce. That is what I'm going to have mine with. Okay, I'm just going to be checking. Beautiful, everything is done. So as I've got all of it here, well, it's all done. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Look at that. The seasoning is gone on it perfect. Look at that. That looks gorgeous. So I'm just gonna place that. Everything is turned perfect. Hi, sweetheart. That's my little cheeky princess. Okay. I think I'm going to have to share with someone. There's no way I can finish all that. Okay, it's all done. That is how I make my kidney kebab. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching me make my kebab. Thank you guys. See ya.